It was the night of December 1984 when the entire Bhopal, after the work of the day, was going to sleep. But they didn't have any idea that there was a very huge surprise coming by their way. The pesticide plant of Bhopal, also known as the Union Carbide, which had the methyl isocyanate chemical in tons, didn't take precautions, and because of this, till now the entire Bhopal is suffering. At 12 am, because of lack of precautions and safety measures, water started entering tank 610 of the plant. MIC or methyl isocyanate reacts quite violently with water, and when this MIC came in contact with water, it started creating a pressure in the tank which kept on increasing. After some duration of time, the tank exploded and the dangerous chemical MIC started to dissolve in the atmosphere, and it spread 8 kilometers. It spread in the radius of 8 kilometers from the plant. After 10 to 20 minutes, people of Bhopal who were sleeping in their houses saw that they were coughing, and that coughing was continuing and they weren't able to stop it. Apart from this, blood was coming out from their throat. Then the people came to know that MIC chemical has leaked from the biggest pesticide plant of Bhopal, and they started running like anything to save their lives. They left their home, their houses, everything, and then they were just running. They were running to stay alive. This mixture of MIC and water, when enters the human body, it puts a lot of pressure on the lungs, which makes breathing impossible. By 5 of the morning, the entire ground of Bhopal was covered with dead bodies. The son of 3rd December 1984 must also be thinking that now what has happened to Bhopal? What has happened to Bhopal? Just in one night, the people of Bhopal lost their houses, their everything, they lost their lives. About half of million people had MIC and water, that mixture in their body which broke their DNA, and now even the upcoming generations of them would be suffering just because of the growing greed of human beings and the carelessness of the Union Carbide factory. 1,787 people died that day, but eyewitnesses say that about 10,000 people died that day. After a month or maybe a week after this incident, the people of Bhopal said that those who died that day were quite lucky, because those who didn't die that day suffer with various diseases for their entire lifetime. And not only them, but their upcoming generations are also affected. Now, even after a number of decades, that factory is still there, and now we can see their rusted iron everywhere. And in 8 kilometer of radius of that factory, water is toxic and unfit for human consumption. In the year 1989, Warren Anderson, who was the chairman of the Union Carbide, gave India $470 million for recovery. But the question which rises here is that with $470 million, can all those who have been affected because of this incident can be treated? Or can we recover all those lives and bring all those people who died that day back? No. The simple answer of this question is no. So, friends, with this incident, we just conclude that greed can end mankind. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please share this video with all and subscribe to my channel. And please be a part of the Dashing Brothers family. Also, comment which video do you want next. Thank you.